Maybe you're a virtual event production whiz, but most people aren't, and very few ever will be. That's true for attendees and other team members, and it's especially true for sponsors. It could be your sponsor's first time sponsoring a virtual event, or perhaps it's been a while since they have. Maybe they used a different platform back then, and maybe your contact person is new to all of this. Whatever the reason, assume you'll need to onboard your sponsors as early on as possible. You'll also need to keep it up until they feel comfortable with the jargon and understand what they're getting. However long it takes, be patient and crush it every step of the way. The best way to do that is with a dedicated sponsors portal, digital guides and training sessions. Load them up with as many examples, use cases and best practices as possible. Keep in mind that your contact person might not be the person running the booth at the event. Find out who that person is and train them yourself. Now that's service. We'll throw in another tip, just this once. Schedule some time for you and all your sponsors together. They'll meet, talk, ask what's on their mind, and maybe find some ways to join forces. Everyone wins!